Department of National Transformation, and the formation of Mantra was born out of the fact that if we don't come out as Nigerians to support the government of the day, irrespective of whoever is there, we would have ended up wasting 4 to 8 years of our lifetime. So there could be inadequacies, but that does not mean that the government should be demonized. That does not mean that the government should not be supported. If you're not supporting your government, then you are killing the country. And we're not saying that people should not oppose the government. What we're saying is that people should learn to oppose fairly in a manner that will be corrective and constructive, to the extent that government will be able to take the corrections and move the nation forward. But what we are seeing in this country today is a situation where people behave like biblical woman who would rather have the child divided in two, than see the other woman take the child. That's what a lot of people are doing in Nigeria today. They want the country to be divided, they want the country to be dismembered simply because probably they thought in the nearest foreseeable future they are not able to have access to power. So rather than other people having that power, let us dismember the country. That's what some of these people who call themselves opposition are actually doing. And we are saying no. If you not divide the country in your own time when you were youth, why are you trying to dismember the country in our own time? Nigeria will be better and greater as one undivided and indissoluble country than for us to have just Nigerians in bit parts. Now, for example, when the Ebola step came up, it started from Guinea, and then from Equatorial Guinea through Sierra Leone, then to Liberia. The world was quiet. But the moment Ebola entered Nigeria, and it triggered in the whole world, that shows how great Nigeria is. And some people want to divide that country, we won't allow that. And that was what formed this movement for us to not to counter, but to address those issues that might lead to the dismemberment of the country.
So what actually become your choice of speakers?